One weekend, a group of friends visited an adventure park. Each one stood at the gate, looking at the rides ahead. The first friend headed straight to the tallest roller coaster. He lives for the thrill. The second friend picked the giant swing, adventurous but not too extreme. The third friend preferred the pirate ship swing, calm, predictable, and just his pace. Same park, same rides, but everyone picked up what matched their comfort zone. Investing works the same way. Some are ready for ups and downs, others prefer stable paths. There is no right or wrong, just what is right for you. Start by understanding what you are comfortable with. Know your investment profile. Choose wisely with the HDFC Bank SmartWealth app.